Hi everyone, welcome back. Had a bouts of insomnia as per usual, so been busy again. I've got a new kit and some decided to do some cutouts, but I'll get on to those in a moment. So new kit, rustic charm. I did a journal for a lady called Tina, and I'd never seen. I didn't really know what she wanted, so after lots of sort of searching around the internet, came up with. I think if you look back through the old videos, so there's a rustic journal for Tina, and this is very much inspired by this. So 19 pages altogether. So that's. I'm going out of shot again. So number one. I don't know really what I was aiming for when I was doing this. Everything just sort of seemed to fall into place. It was the rustic stuff, so quite grungy, I think. Quite grungy looking, but with lots of sort of, they use ferns. There's lots of ferns on them. I think I prefer these sort of herbs and that type of thing. I think that's more my style. So that's what I'm going through. Sorry, the light is terrible at the moment. And I'm in love with owls again at the moment. So we have lots of owls featuring. But 7 main pages. 7, normally I'd only do 6. 7 because I'm not quite sure about the 7th. That's the 7th. Yeah, maybe once it's folded, maybe use it as a backing page. Don't know. Anyway, I've thrown it in because then you can make your own minds up if you buy the kits. So backing pages, we have a plain one there. And quite grungy again, sort of very distressed paper look. And same thing, except this one's got lines on it, and there are actually some ferns on that one, as you can see, if I could get the light right. Does that make it a bit better? Nope. And then I've also put in a couple of pattern pages, so that one and that one, if I sort of put them side by side. I just like the textures of them, although obviously they're flat, but I like the look of them. So whether you use them as just an odd page within the journal or use them for collages, I don't know, I like those, so they got put in as well. And then somebody said ghost page. I was calling them watermarked, and somebody said ghost pages, and I quite like ghost pages, so that's what we're going with. So there is actually 5 of these. So 1, oopsie, I gave in another fern, but I really like that pattern. Oh, I really should have separated these to begin with. And then there are 2 smaller envelopes. And some of these cards, which I'm quite getting into at the moment, these cards. And some note cards. As I said, perhaps it should have been more an owl-inspired journal rather than a rustic one, but it is actually very grungy for me. So that's the kit. And then I was having a play around, and I did the ephemera tutorial, the holder, and I thought, so I was starting to fussy cut, and I thought, oh, so we have got 3 different kits. This one is a woodland themed one, so there are actually 30 different bits of card. As you can see, I am trying to spread them out so you can see what you get. Although obviously there will be a picture both on the on my website and on Etsy. 30 cutouts in the woodland one, 24 different images. So a couple of them are duplicates, so like those 2, although obviously different sizes. And those 2, because I like Mr. Fox. So that's the woodland one. Oops. And then we have a butterfly one, because everybody likes butterflies. Now this one's There's quite a lot in here simply because I did so many different sizes. There are 38 butterflies, moths, dragonflies, all different shapes, sizes. There are 17 different images, so some of them are duplicates, but of again, much different sizes. And simply because I really like butterflies and I try to put a butterfly in anything I make. So that's the butterfly. Ooh, I need to move that. There we go, that's better. That's the butterfly one. Very colourful. I love using these in collages. And then we have birds. 27 in the birds. There are lots of owls, but also lots of different ones. There are 19 different images. So, as I said, lots of owls, but also other birds. I think that's probably my favourite at the moment, that woodpecker. So, oh yeah, 27 different bits, 19 different images. So that's the bird ones. I will put better shots on my shop, in my shop. They're all printed on photo paper, so they're all quite heavy duty card. I was really pleased with those. So 3 different kits, or 3 different sets. I will list them along with a new kit, Rustic Charm. Thank you very much for watching, and I will speak to you all later.